Alright, as you guys can tell, I'm in a different car. As the title suggests, the BMW is in for service to check out the battery as well as the airbag recall. So definitely make sure you guys go ahead and get that checked out on your E92 or really any BMW. You know, call the dealer and just see if you have an airbag recall. You know, it's the widespread Takata thing. So I've never actually been in a BMW like this. I think it's what's called a Gran Turismo, Gran Sport. This says Gran Turismo here, so I'm not really sure. Interior wise, it kind of has those pleather seats and I guess some, you know, ample back seats, but it has the, I hate this thing. I know it's with the new F80 bodies and everything, but this pop-up nav iDrive infotainment system, I can't stand it. It looks like it's just stuck there. I guess I'll shoot more random video while I'm sitting here because this service advisor just parked a X3 right in front of my car and walked away. So yeah, so I'm just gonna chill out here for a minute and hopefully they come through. It moves. I mean, it's a little sluggish. It moves when it wants to. All right, so you guys can tell from that quick little drive. I mean, it's a little performant car. I mean, I'm not gonna say it's a high performance car. It's definitely not a sports car. I guess it'd be great for the winter. I'm not sure what these retail for, but in interior and exterior, it has get up and go. So I mean, I don't know. I mean, if you needed an all around daily, it's not too bad. Last week I made a video on the battery for the M3 was discharging and just acting kind of wonky. Well, on Friday morning I went to start the car and I realized that the gas cap, the trunk, and all the doors were unlocked. I went ahead and ordered a different battery tender and that'll be in the next couple of days. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up the GoPro on this car, take it through a couple of back roads that we have around here and see what this car can do. Of course, I'm not expecting too much. You know, let's kind of just have a little bit of fun with it. 1,000 cars on it.
For what?
You'll see.
To go fast?
Yep. Have fun?
Yeah.
It's a fun little car. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that little rip through the backcountry there. Ended up actually having to do that 3 times because it's just coming up on the rush hour and there was tons of traffic going in both directions. So I basically took the best of the 3 and hopefully you guys enjoyed that one the most. This is actually the first time that I did a POV and I gotta say I kind of enjoyed it. So I'm gonna do one with the M3 very, very soon. So as always, appreciate you guys checking out the video. Please comment if you have any questions on the Gran Turismo or the M3. You know, let me know what you think of the other car. Please like, subscribe, share this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.